All right, so in the last section, we went over the keypad functionality of the app and showed how all the different functions work, setting your status, caller ID, how to make outbound calls, transfer, three-way calls, things like that. Now I just wanted to show how it looks from the inbound side. I went ahead and routed 858.43 to my extension, and I'm going to show you how it looks when you make an inbound call and the app is open, and then also how it looks when the app is not open. Let's go ahead and use the open case first. So I'm just making a test call, and here you go. It shows incoming call from my cell phone, and I can just answer that, and we're connected. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close the app down, and now that app is closed. So this is how it's going to look when you don't have the app open. So you can see I get a little square box in the corner of my screen, and now I can just answer it, and the same thing happens. All right, so that's how you answer an incoming call and how it looks when the app is both open and closed.